Welcome to the light body activation. So to begin, find a comfortable seat or lie down. Choose whichever allows you to feel at ease. Let your spine be long. Your shoulders relaxed. And your hands resting gently in your lap or at your sides. So take a moment to settle in. Notice the rhythm of your breath, softly coming in and out. So set an intention for this practice, to awaken your inner radiance, to feel and embrace the energy flowing within you. So slowly close your eyes or soften your gaze. Begin to draw your attention inward, focusing on each inhale and each exhale. With every breath, let your body sink in a bit more. Feel the air enter through your nose, travel down into your lungs, and exit gently through your mouth or nose. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Calm, steady, and effortless. Bring your attention to the point where your body meets the surface beneath you. Sense the weight of your body pressing down. Feel the solid support below. Strong, stable, and unwavering. So let this sense of groundedness flow into your legs, your belly, your arms, and all the way to the top of your head. Your entire being is rooted and at peace, ready to receive healing light. Now, imagine a brilliant sphere of light hovering just above your head. This light may be golden, white, or any color that feels healing to you. It glows gently, radiating warmth and positivity. So see or sense the sphere growing brighter with each breath you take. Feel its energy expanding, ready to flow into your body. It holds pure, radiant power, ready to awaken every cell within you. Invite this sphere of light to softly descend, entering through the crown of your head. As it does, notice the top of your head filling with a comforting glow. Feel this glow gently spreading across your scalp, down the back of your head, soothing every strand of tension. Let this luminous energy continue to descend, flowing into your forehead, your temples, and into your eyes. It calms the mind, releasing any stress or negative thought patterns. You might even feel a gentle tingle or warmth. Moving further down, the light travels into your cheeks, your jaw, your neck, easing tightness and unlocking any stiffness there. It moves into your shoulders, your arms, and your hands, filling them with a gentle, revitalizing current. Now, feel the light glide into your chest. Here, it envelops your heart center with love and kindness. It reminds you that you are safe, whole, and worthy of healing. So allow the light to fill your belly, your hips, and continue down into your legs, ankles, your feet, and all the way down to the tips of your toes. Every muscle, bone, and cell is lit up by this beautiful glowing force. So with each breath, sense the light in your body growing even brighter. It pulses and circulates, cleansing and healing every part of you. So imagine the energy becoming even stronger, expanding slightly beyond your skin, forming a radiant aura. Feel the boundaries of your body soften as this energetic field extends around you. It's like a gentle cocoon of warmth and vitality. So take a moment to silently thank your body for receiving this healing energy. Thank the light for flowing freely within you, renewing your spirit. Feel gratitude fill your heart, confirming that you are vibrant, radiant, and whole. So in your mind, repeat an affirmation that resonates with you. It could be such as, I am filled with light. I am healthy, energized, and at peace. Good. Slowly become aware of the space you're in. Feel the surface beneath you again. Solid, reliable, and here to support you. So let your attention return to the sounds around you. The temperature of the air, the sensation of your breath, now wiggle your fingers and toes gently. And when you're ready, open your eyes now, carrying this luminous energy with you. Take a deep breath in and let it out with a gentle sigh. Know that your light body remains activated, glowing within you, accessible whenever you need it. May this radiant energy support you throughout your day, bringing healing, vitality, and of course peace. Good work today, and namaste.